Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're going to be making some rum and Red Bull glazed jerk wings. You don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. Ask anybody, boy. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important for.
So here I have roughly about 8 wings that I've cut into 2 pieces. You want to use a paper towel just to remove the excess moisture from the chicken. Go in with about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now this is just to coat the wings so that when I put the seasoning blend on it, it will just stick onto it and just stay there. Now for this recipe, I'm using a dried jerk mix, but the bits were too big, so I put it into my herb grinder just to make it a little bit finer. Now I'm going to mix all my seasoning blend together. So my dry jerk mix, I'm going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon of the mixture. I'm going to go in with about half a tablespoon of my Maggi chicken seasoning and also a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now I'm going to mix this all together and just throw it all over the wings and just give it a good rub to just rub that seasoning in. Make sure you get into all the corners and everything, because you know we say seasoned wings over here, tasteful, just nice. Now what I did was I covered this with plastic wrap, put it in the fridge for about 6 hours. But if you can marinate this overnight, then baby, you know you're gonna be in the business. That's all. But I did this for about 6 hours because I was just too eager. Now make sure that before you get ready to cook the wings, you take them out at least 15 to 20 minutes prior out of the fridge so that they can come up to room temperature. When this is done, I'm going to go ahead now and add a tablespoon of corn flour and also about a teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm doing this because I want my wings to have a slight crisp on the skin. Now I am going to air fry these wings, but if you're going to use the oven, then you can bake them for about 45 to 50 minutes, turning halfway through on about gas mark number 6. Now if you are using an air fryer, just follow your guidelines for how to cook chicken wings, because I know some of the air fryers, they're different. I'm using the Ninja Foodie Max, so I did these for about 20 minutes. Now I turned them halfway through. Now after your wings are done, just take them out and put them to the side. Now my air fryer, the inside couldn't hold all of my wings, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the second batch. But as you saw that wing, it just looked absolutely amazing. Now once I had my second batch on, it's time to work on this sauce. Now in a heated pan, I'm going to go in with some butter. I use roughly, I'd say about 15 grams of butter and also about 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Now once I let that saute for about a couple of minutes, then I'm gonna go ahead and add my wet jerk mix. Now I added in total 2 tablespoons of my jerk mixture, my jerk seasoning. Now I'm also gonna add in my Red Bull. Now I added, I would say, about 4 tablespoons of my Red Bull in total, and also I added roughly about the same in my rum. Now I'm using the Captain Morgan spiced rum. Now you want to let this simmer just to reduce a bit. Now once it's reduced, at the very end, I do like to go in with another tablespoon of the Red Bull and about another tablespoon of the Captain Morgan rum, because I don't want to lose that flavor, because once you heat it through, that flavor will just burn out, and we want to taste the flavor in the wings. Now all that's left for you to do is just pour that beautiful sauce over your wings. If you want to brush it on, if you want to just toss toss everything on. It's your wings, baby. You do what you have to do. But you know, I just wanted to pour it all on that wing and just enjoy. Guys, let me tell you, these wings were absolutely delicious by far. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Now guys, look at these wings. Woohoo, baby, they were delicious. And there you have it, guys, my rum and Red Bull glazed jerk wings. They came out absolutely perfect. Now make sure you give me a big thumbs up for this video. Thank you so much once again for watching, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.